In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Bookmap data for free. First, a quick reality check so you know what to expect. Bookmap is a powerful visualization platform, but it doesn't generate market data itself. The data comes from exchanges, and most exchanges charge for real-time stock and futures feeds. That's why full, real-time equities or futures data isn't free. What you can access at no cost is limited or delayed data, plus some excellent options for crypto. The best completely free path is Bookmap's crypto data. With this, you get real-time order flow for cryptocurrencies, the signature heat map, and liquidity visualization, and access to multiple major exchanges. This is available in the free Bookmap digital plan, as well as Bookmap web. You can start quickly with a simple email sign-up. No payment required. Crypto data is free here because many crypto exchanges make their order book streams publicly available, so you're getting genuine live depth and liquidity views without a paid feed. If you want zero setup, use Bookmap web. There's nothing to download. Just open it in your browser, sign up, and you're in. It includes a live crypto order book, a bit of historical context so you can see what just happened, and a multi-exchange view to compare liquidity across venues. It's a smooth way to explore the interface and start learning how to read the heat map for crypto markets right away. For stocks and futures inside the free plan, expect delayed data. This is perfect for learning the platform, practicing your reading of order flow, and understanding how liquidity behaves, but it's not for real-time trading decisions. You might see prints and price movement from minutes ago, which is still very useful for training your eye and building a workflow without paying for a live feed. When you're ready to experience full features temporarily, look for free trials. These are often 7 to 14 days and can include real-time futures or stock data. After the trial ends, you'll need a paid subscription. Time your trial during active market periods, set a reminder so you don't get billed unexpectedly, and treat it as a focused test drive of your layout, alerts, and add-ons. Finally, be aware of limited historical backfill on the free versions. You may see a short window for stocks and up to around 48 hours for crypto depending on the exchange. This isn't full historical data, but it's enough for short-term analysis, quick reviews, and practice sessions. To wrap up, start with free crypto data in Bookmap Digital or Bookmap Web for instant, real-time order flow. Use delayed stocks and futures to learn, and tap a short trial when you need the full, real-time experience. Keep expectations realistic, and you'll get a lot out of Bookmap without spending a cent.